today, and hopefully it doesn't get copyright, so enjoy this reaction of episode 3 of Kipo and the Age of Wonder Beasts. Real cats were played. Thank you for coming on this video, just coming on. Hey guys, it's me Mass, and we're reacting to episode 3 of Kipo and the Age of Wonder Beasts. I'm trying a new thing. You can see it's a mirror. So let's get this react started.
All the way to the ceiling.
Dang. Yeah, there's a holdout. What? That's her dad? Huh. Are they like rock climbing or something? That's what it looks like. Wow. Oh, there is something to worry about though. What? Oh no, did he die? She ain't listening. That's why her outfit was like that. I kinda like her outfit like that. Oh no! I'm sorry, but that's...
It's okay.
No, it's not. What are you talking about? This is not okay. This no. This is not okay. What? No.
Piece of cake?
This is not a piece of cake. You cannot do that. Real cats were played. Or Plaid. Sometimes I can't pronounce words. Okay, this is where we ended off in episode 2. From this weird cats.
Guys, more mutes. Are these ones friendly?
No, they don't look friendly.
There's an entire army of them, hacking axes. What do you think?
No,
Friendly. Got it.
they're awful.
You fly back here.
Yeah. He can't fly you out of there.
Sorry guys, Dave's got a little bit of performance anxiety issues. Lesson 7 of the circus.
That's a lot of cats, and I don't really like cats, so that was my biggest nightmare. What is this anyway?
I know that for sure, Molly.
Turn on the brightness a little bit.
I know what I see. You think your tiny axes can stop the thing that did all this?
Okay.
It's from the scratching tree.
No.
Use your axes for the scratching tree.
This is some sense.
Must have used our tree to make this
There it is right there.
no
I think
match
that's
for a beast who could do that. Not with our leader gone. Not without Yumyan Hammerpaw.
What? Is
Guys, I think the mechanism they're looking for is the same one who destroyed my city.
I just love.
Funny coincidence? The mechanism you're looking for? We're looking for it too.
They look like they about to
We should
kill you.
totally team up.
Kipo, I love you, but they're gonna gang up on you and be like, "Girl, I don't want you." Yeah. If you look different, they're gonna attack you because they don't like difference. So annoying.
Something tells me this isn't the kind of sand you find at the beach.
No, that looks like ashes or something.
I tell you, these years go by so fast.
Wow. It's a lot of... Huh. I forgot they're lumberjacks. They just build and cut wood and just chop it up and have axes for things.
Stand at attention. You're in front of the scratching tree.
The scratching tree. Oh. That's what the scratch and have.
Not much of a tree.
It doesn't matter.
Ha! Back in fighting shape.
Yeah.
What do we do with these humans? Should we eat them?
No.
Clean them first. They wrote here in litter. I say we pat them between our paws for several hours until we get bored.
What?
Always decides these things for us. Eat that! Eat that!
What?
There's only one way to settle it.
Cataball. No. Get get your stat first. Yeah, I don't know actually. Yum.
Who is Yumyan Hammerpaw?
Yeah.
Lord of the Timbercats.
Timbercats?
Least to us.
He died? I can't understand, really. Okay, so we're just not gonna talk about how these.
That tree was not stable. How come no one thought to chop it down? Does Yumyan have to remind us to do everything?
Yeah.
Somebody still needs to get Pierre back on his leash.
Oh, Pierre, that's a little name. Is that like a cockroach or something? What the frick is that? No one?
Volunteer.
What's she's like,
I've had to mind that thing around you. Don't you ever do things you don't want to do to help others? Are you kidding with that?
okay.
What do you always say?
She can't use the axe for a day of her life. Kipo? What is that red stuff? Oh, they like it? Ew. She did it.
Oh, you're just a sweet, hungry pet who hasn't had a bite in days. Alright. Maybe we won't eat the humans.
Yeah.
Any other ideas? 10 times.
It's raining now.
Get the idea?
Hey, listen, before you do anything rash here, can we discuss all the syrup you have? Because you haven't
Syrup?
lived until you tried my real thing.
Trying to get out. Scarlet? That sounds kind of a nice name, but also awful. Same time.
Flapjacks do sound good.
Can't understand, but sure, I guess. I don't know.
Next time you guys want to serve cat food,
Cat food. Oh, I guess.
little faith or something, you know.
Now she's gonna be mad. How are you halfway? I swear, these episodes are so short. Like, I need more. I'm posting 4 and 5 tomorrow, and they all look depressed.
And it magically Yumyan will be there.
Why are they drinking
Like
milk?
he always does.
I'm not surprised. They're just always fighting. Those pancakes look good. They're all getting mad. Is that a guitar? Oh, play. Because she can play.
Nobody plays it but him.
Well, he's...
Since he's passed on, I figured I could play it for him.
Because you can play.
Passed on? Whoever said that? He's just stuck up in a tree.
What?
Wait, what? All this time?
Yeah. What's wrong?
What happened? Were the lasers too much?
Ew. What? Oh god. Ew. Ooh. Oh. Is that a pig? Oh, that's a cat. This is some interesting. Oh. Huh. Yeah, that place is in pieces. Okay. She wants to find her family. Those mushrooms are cute.
Up there, Yumyan? If I'm doing this, you better be.
Oh god.
All the way.
She's gonna. How is she? Oh, yeah. Just keep going up.
This tree just
Okay. Jesus, she got up there. Oh god. Pretty! Oh, that's pretty. Oh god. Is Is that Yum?
Yumyan! Oh, are you still up here? I came here to find you!
He's right there.
You know how long I've been chasing that rotten insect?
What?
3 days.
Okay. Okay.
Please? Out there somewhere is a Magamute who stole your tree. I think
He's trying to get that butterfly.
that's why I'm here.
Why you can't get it for a cat like that?
So we can all find them together.
Stuff, but I don't understand.
It's Kipo. Out of
Kipo,
curiosity,
Kipo,
why do you want that butterfly so
Kipo the girl. Who's gonna find her dad, hopefully. The bad dad's better. Where's her mom? Next season.
You want me to get
Like, taming it? Like, how to dragon? Okay. Are you hiccup?
Oh. See, it just takes a gentle touch.
What?
That's all.
Yeah. Stop it.
the tree spirit got away?
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. I'm not the only one who needs your help.
Okay.
You have a whole village.
Okay.
That's why you're stuck. Want to tell me about it?
Yes.
I was having my evening scratch.
Why is that freaking
At the biggest monster I've ever seen. 6
Huh,
arms.
the animation's very
It's
interesting.
a logger's flannel. So, I
Okay. That's a beautiful. If I was Kipo, I would take a picture of that.
Or
Like,
human?
sky.
leader
Yeah.
of Timber.
When did he? Okay.
So
When did that thing literally talk? What do you?
Okay, just give me a minute.
Okay. Are they gonna fall?
First the scratching tree, then Yumyan.
Okay.
Now the prisoners are gone too.
No, I bet they're gonna be falling from the sky or something.
As long as we have axes in our paws,
Oh.
we'll always be Timbercats.
Painful. We have 2 minutes left. Oh, wow. Yay, they did it! Ooh, his axe looks cool. Oh, that's guitar. Yay! Woohoo!
Gosh, we have one.
That's not exactly the way I was going for.
Guys, there you are. You know how I said I wanted to hunt down that Magamute? And you were all like, yeah, you and what army? Well, guess what? We have an army!
Yay! See, she can do stuff. Why is that the end of the episode? Wow. That was amazing. A very interesting episode. We had the cats and stuff, and yeah. God, Kipo's just Kipo. I keep saying Kipo. Kipo, Wolf, Benson, Mondu, love them. The big bug. I forget his name. But yeah, that was my reaction to episode 3. Yeah, episode 4 and 5 will be out tomorrow, and those will be my last episodes of Kipo reactions for this week, because I'll be traveling next week, so I won't be making any reactions, but I'll be back in July. And also, by the way, Amphibia is coming back on July 11th for season 2, so I probably will pause Kipo reactions and probably make the live reaction for Amphibia season 2. And then the next day I'll come back to Kipo. Because, you know me, I binged that stuff. And now that's coming back. That's good. I found that out today and I'm so happy. Also, Our House is coming back in July, too. So, my life is just going perfect. Amphibia's coming back. Our House. Like, girl, I'm about to pause. Whew. But yeah. Like and subscribe for more reactions by me.